Hey, coach,
Yep.
hot stock pick GNLN is rocketing to the upside.
First thing we do before we trade anything, what do we do? On it. Yep, I see it. Good call out. Beautiful. What do you got set for the next resistance level? 13, right? Good call. Still climbing. Wow. That obviously had news today, didn't it? That just halted to the upside.
Hey,
Q?
coach, on my paper account, do you recommend waiting for a pullback on GNLN before I jump in, or
First thing we need to do is if we're serious about trading it, what's the first thing we do before we trade anything? What do we do?
look for past resistance and
Yep.
support levels?
Yep. So let's do that now together. We're going to go back in time. Let's see where it was. So right now it's around 1336. Let's see what's going on over here to see what we're going to run into. We can see around 14, we're going to hit a wall. Yep, here. Around here, let's see what else. Let's go back farther in time. We just want to make sure we're not trying to jump in, right, and then get hammered right out of the gate. We're
I'm
not.
guilty of that.
Yeah.
Even on
So
the L2, coach, L2 shows 14 as a resistance red line right now.
I see it. So right here, right, we did our homework. We went back in time. I mean, this thing has, if you guys look at this, right, this was already a level which was 13, 14, 15, 25, 16, 33, 17, 18. Look at that. This is it. There's no other history. Can you guys see this?
Yes, sir.
So this could be a banger. And remember, this only has a 500K free float, meaning there's only 500 shares that can be traded, which means this can go crazy just by a little amount of buying that goes on in, right? Because remember, the market goes up if there's more buyers than sellers. So because there's only 500K shares, it does not take a lot for there to be a ton of buyers that can come in, right? I could single-handedly come in here on a large account, scoop up, 100,000 shares, and it just to the moon, right? GNLN is live. GNLN is live, and it is flying to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. I've tried to get into it twice. My account won't let me do it right now. GNLN, move your stops up. But you can see every level we have marked. Look at it dancing on the 14 level we had marked. Extra volatility stock. Please be careful. If you don't understand how to trade it, this is not for you. But $14 is what it must break to get new highs. You can see 10,000 sellers sitting on the L2 at $14. As soon as you see them buyers get bought out at $14, hammer time, move your stops up as tight as you can. There it goes. $14. Again, $14. Notice we're having a battle at $14. All those buyers got bought out at $14. They're just trying to jump back in it now. The L2 is gone at $14. Yep, we're at $14.40. Stay up there, baby. There it goes. Boom. There's $14.94. Yes, now we're up at the 15 level. Congratulations. $14.94. Move your stops up, right? This is quick. Be careful. This is dangerous. Make sure you have a stop to protect you on a knife drop. Don't forget your knife drop can still blow through your stop and sell it at a lower price. That's just a stop loss, meaning a market order to sell, not at that exact penny. Please be careful. Again, if you've never been in a volatile stock, watch, listen, don't trade. It must stay above 14. You guys did get almost a full dollar pop off the 14, but it was fast. And it's fading now. Did anybody make any money on GNLN? I know it was a pretty quick run.
Me, not a lot, $50. Thank you.